peanut butter and jelly chia pudding that is packed with nutrients and bangin' flavor. First, we're going to start with the strawberry jam. To an Instant Pot, you add 16 ounces of fresh strawberries. The strawberries that I used had so much flavor, I'm not even sure that it needed anything else, but I added a teaspoon of water, a pinch of sea salt, and 1/4 cup of maple syrup. We're first going to let it pressure up for 1 minute, and then we're going to let it pressure down for 10. While the strawberry jam is cooking, I went ahead and prepared my chia pudding. I added 2½ cups of coconut milk and 1/2 cup of chia seeds. You can use more chia seeds if you would like it thicker, and you can use less if you would like it a little bit creamier. And I added a little bit of almond extract because I absolutely love the flavor, and a little bit of vanilla extract along with a touch of maple syrup. Now store it in the refrigerator long enough for it to thicken up, which is usually about 3 hours, or you can make it the night before. It'll be ready in the morning. Now back to the strawberry jam. The Instant Pot has pressured down for 10 minutes. It is ready. And now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Put the Instant Pot on saute, and we're going to let it saute for 5 minutes, stirring often. I get out my potato masher and mash it so that it's smoother. You can use an immersion blender if you would like it super smooth, but I don't mind a few chunks. After it has thickened up and has gotten nice and bubbly, go ahead and add it to a jar to place in the refrigerator for several hours so that it can cool and thicken up. Now it is time for this yummy goodness, and we're going to layer it with the chia pudding on the bottom, just adding the strawberry jam to the side and peanut butter to the other side. Or you can use almond butter just as well. Please comment below and let me know your favorite way to eat chia pudding.